Love pizza? Get ready for bite-sized perfection. These top 10 mini pocket pizza recipes will make your taste buds dance. Stay tuned and let's bake some magic. From classic pepperoni to cheesy veggie delights, we've got it all. Easy, fun, and absolutely delicious. Which one will be your favorite? Craving pizza but need a quick fix? Let's make easy, cheesy pizza pockets. Start with your favorite dough. Spread some rich tomato sauce. Load it up with mozzarella, pepperoni, or your favorite toppings. Fold, press, and seal. No mess, no stress. Bake until crispy and golden brown. Just 15 minutes to perfection. Hot, cheesy, and oh so tasty. Craving pizza but need a quick, bite-sized snack? Let's make mini pizza pockets. Start with your favorite dough and cut it into mini circles, perfect for snacking. Next, add a spoonful of rich tomato sauce for that classic pizza flavor. Load them up with gooey mozzarella, spicy pepperoni, or your favorite toppings. Fold them over, seal the edges, and they're ready for baking. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and crispy. Just 15 minutes. Cheesy, crispy, and totally delicious. Mini pizza pockets are the perfect treat. Love veggies? These Veggie Supreme mini pockets are packed with flavor. Start with soft dough and add a spoonful of zesty tomato sauce. Load them up with mozzarella, bell peppers, mushrooms, olives, and onions. Fold, seal, and bake until golden brown. Just 15 minutes to perfection. Crispy outside, cheesy and veggie-packed inside. These mini pockets, craving a cheesy handheld pizza? Try these pizza pocket calzones. Start with soft pizza dough and roll it out into perfect circles. Spread a layer of rich tomato sauce, then pile on gooey mozzarella, pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives. Fold them over, seal the edges, and give them a quick egg wash for that golden crust. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until crispy and delicious. Just 20 minutes. One bite and you'll love the melty cheese, savory toppings, and crispy crust. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or anytime cravings strike. Try these pizza pocket calzones today. Serve them with marinara sauce or garlic butter for an extra flavor kick. Easy to make, fun to eat. Your new favorite pizza treat is here. Love chicken and pizza? Try these chicken bread pocket pizzas. Start with soft bread, flatten it, and spread a layer of zesty tomato sauce. Add juicy shredded chicken, gooey mozzarella, and a mix of bell peppers and olives. Fold, seal, and bake until crispy golden. Just 15 minutes. Every bite is packed with cheesy, savory, and smoky chicken flavors. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Your perfect snack is here. Craving cheesy goodness? Try these mozzarella pizza pockets. Start with soft dough and spread a layer of rich tomato sauce. Add a generous amount of gooey mozzarella and a sprinkle of Italian herbs. Fold, seal, and bake until golden brown. Just 15 minutes. Every bite is crispy on the outside and loaded with melty cheese inside. Simple, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for any pizza lover. Try these half-homemade pizza pockets. Start with store-bought pizza dough for convenience. Roll it out and cut into squares. Add a spoonful of zesty tomato sauce, gooey mozzarella, and your favorite toppings. Fold, seal, and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes until golden. Craving a quick homemade snack? Prepare these pizza pockets ahead of time and freeze them. Start with pizza dough. Add your favorite toppings, fold, and seal. When you're ready to enjoy, bake from frozen at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. Enjoy a hot, cheesy treat. And enjoy a hot, cheesy treat anytime.